Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the key features of the testRigor TestRail plugin. The first thing I'm going to show is how you can create a new test suite in testRigor and link it to your test suite on TestRail. For this, I'm going to open this test suite and open the Test Cases tab. In here, I am going to click this new button, Link testRigor. Now I am going to create a new test suite called Test Page Number 2. Next, I am going to select a type of testing, in this case, Web App in Ubuntu Desktop Chrome browser, and then add the URL of our site. We are going to need the testRigor API key or the password. And finally, click the Create Test Suite button. Now this test suite is linked to testRigor. If we go to testRigor and to a list of all our test suites, we are going to see our new test suite. Another feature is the auto creation of test cases. We are going to add a new test case on TestRail to the suite that we just linked. And then for steps, we are going to write testRigor commands. Let's select the Automate on testRigor checkbox and click Add a test case. This test case will automatically be created on our testRigor account. We can see it here, linked to our TestRail case. We can add and link as many test cases as we want per suite, and also delete them. We can also run test cases on testRigor and report the results back to TestRail. For that, we are going to create a new test run. And select the checkbox, Run on testRigor. Then click Add Test Run. Now, as the message says, our tests are currently running on testRigor. This gives you the chance to automate all your test cases and report back to TestRail. You can have as many projects and test suites as you want, linked to different test suites on testRigor. Thanks for watching.